Hello, guys. This is not what you think. All right, the first thing you're going to do is make a hole in the top of your glue. You're going to make a hole right where that indentation is. So I am going to use my glue gun and I am going to burn a hole here. Enough for your spoolie. Okay, so let's check our spoolie. Turn it this way. There go the hole. I'm going to put that spoolie in there. And since the spoolie is in there, now we want to put the glue on top. We want to make sure that spoolie. We're going to take our bottle and we are going to put the top on, and you can secure it some more because you do not want that to come off. So we're going to let that dry, guys. We want to glue it from the inside because if you glue it from the inside, you're going to be messing up the threads. So you want to do it from the outside. I thought I would do a little arts and crafts on it by getting some glitter, pouring it over the top, letting that sit. Sure that your glitter stay on. Just put a nice light coat over the top of your glitter, and that will ensure that stick. Bam! That will work perfect. So now when you're done with one bottle, don't throw this away. When you go buy your next bottle, take the top off. All right, guys, so that is an easy, simple trick that you can do with your got-to-be glue. Save your money, girl, and make it yourself. All right, guys, well, you have reached Regina TV. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Tell everybody you know to share this video. And this is another banger. And guys, I will talk to you later. Mwah.